Outdoor security cameras aren't just for large properties or tech experts anymore. Whether you're keeping an eye on deliveries, checking a side gate, or just want a simple way to monitor your home, today's options are easy to install and packed with useful features. Some offer better lighting, others run for months on a charge, and a few do a little bit of everything. In this video, we're looking at 6 of the best exterior security cameras for 2025, including what each one handles best and what to keep in mind before choosing. Links to all the cameras are in the description below. Number 6. Eufy Floodlight Camera E340. If you're looking for a camera that does more than just record, the Eufy Floodlight Camera E340 is worth a look. It combines strong outdoor lighting with reliable surveillance, and the result is a camera that works especially well for driveways, garages, or large backyard areas. It features two 2K resolution cameras, one faces outward and the other points downward, giving you both wide area coverage and a close-up view of what's happening below. The pan and tilt feature allows for 360-degree horizontal movement, and it does so smoothly and quietly. This means fewer blind spots without needing multiple cameras. The 2000 lumen floodlight is bright enough to light up a large section of your property and acts as a deterrent at night. You can set it to turn on with motion or keep it on for general lighting. Eufy's onboard AI can detect people, pets, or activity in defined motion zones, and all of this works without a subscription. You get free local storage on the device, and it's cloud backup if you want it, but it's not required. Everything runs through the Eufy security app, which is straightforward to use. Motion notifications come through fast, and the video loads with minimal delay. One thing to keep in mind, this camera does need to be hardwired. If you're replacing an existing floodlight, that's an easy swap. If not, you might need a bit of extra setup. It works with both Alexa and Google Assistant, so voice control and smart home integration are available right out of the box. Overall, the Eufy E340 is a strong, all-in-one option for those who want both serious lighting and reliable video coverage without monthly fees. Number 5. Wyze Cam V3 with Spotlight Kit. If you're not looking to spend much but still want a reliable outdoor camera, the Wyze Cam V3 with a Spotlight Kit is hard to beat for the price. It covers all the basics: clear video, motion alerts, night vision, and adds a few extras that make it feel like a much more expensive option. You get 1080p HD video with sharp detail during the day, but the standout is its color night vision made possible by the built-in starlight sensor. This allows the camera to capture surprisingly bright footage even in near darkness, giving you more useful images than standard black and white night views. The optional Spotlight Kit snaps right onto the camera and provides a small but effective beam of light when motion is detected. It's not as bright as a full floodlight, but it adds visibility and acts as a subtle deterrent for nighttime movement. The Wyze Cam V3 is IP65 rated, meaning it handles rain and dust just fine. It's compact, discreet, and blends easily into a porch ceiling or under an eave. Setup is simple and takes just a few minutes, though it does require USB power, so you'll need to plug it into an outlet or use an outdoor-rated extension cable. Motion and sound detection can be fine-tuned in the Wyze app, which is clean, intuitive, and doesn't overwhelm you with settings. Local storage is available via microSD card, so you can keep recordings without paying for cloud storage, though cloud options exist if you want extra features. If you just want something small, affordable, and capable, especially for monitoring a front door or side yard, the Wyze Cam V3 with Spotlight Kit gets the job done without much fuss. Number 4. Blink Outdoor 4. If you're looking for a camera that doesn't need constant attention, the Blink Outdoor 4 is one of the easiest choices out there. Designed for people who want simple, long-lasting security, this model focuses on convenience without giving up the core features most people care about. The camera records in 1080p HD and includes infrared night vision for low-light conditions. It's not flashy, but the footage is clear enough to catch faces, license plates, and movement around entry points. Motion detection is also improved in this version with dual-zone alerts that help cut down on unnecessary notifications from distant movement or background activity. What makes the Blink Outdoor 4 stand out is its battery life, up to 2 years on a pair of double lithium batteries. That means you can mount it once and forget about it for months at a time. It's completely wireless and installs using a simple bracket and screws or even double-sided tape if you're not drilling into walls. This makes it a smart pick for renters or those who don't want to deal with power cables. Local storage is handled through the Blink Sync Module 2, which connects up to 10 cameras and saves clips to a USB drive. No subscription is required for basic features. There's some advanced cloud-based options like longer clip history you require a plan. The camera is weather-resistant and holds up well in both hot and cold climates. It's also lightweight and has a neutral design that blends in against most surfaces. Alexa integration adds a bit of smart home functionality. letting you view the feed through Echo Show or control alerts with voice commands. For anyone who wants basic, reliable outdoor coverage with minimal maintenance, the Blink Outdoor 4 is a strong, all-around choice. Number 3. EufyCam 3. If you're after high-quality video, long-term storage, and zero monthly fees, the EufyCam 3 delivers on all three. It's one of the more advanced options on this list, with features geared toward users who want strong security coverage without relying on cloud subscriptions. At the center of it all is the 4K Ultra HD resolution. Compared to standard 1080p cameras, the difference in detail is noticeable. Faces, license plates, and movement are sharper, especially when zooming in. The 135-degree field of view also gives you more coverage per camera, which can cut down on how many you need around your property. One standout feature is the built-in solar panel. As long as it gets a few hours of direct sunlight a day, the camera stays charged, meaning no ladder climbing to swap batteries. This makes it especially useful for areas like detached garages, gates, or rural properties. The EufyCam 3 also includes Eufy's Bionic Mind AI, which recognizes familiar faces and separates people from general motion. Over time, the camera learns to ignore regular visitors or family members, which helps reduce false alerts. Storage is handled locally through the included Homebase 3. It comes with internal storage and supports expansion up to 16 TB, making it ideal for anyone who wants to archive footage without paying for cloud storage. You still get app notifications, two-way talk, and smart alerts, just without the recurring cost. The only drawback is size. The camera housing is a bit bulkier than most battery cams, but it feels solid and well-built, and the extra features justify the footprint. If you're looking for a long-term, subscription-free option with sharp video and smart detection, the EufyCam 3 stands out as one of the most complete outdoor systems available. Number 2. Ring Spotlight Cam Pro Battery. If you're looking for a camera that gives you more control over what's happening around your home, the Ring Spotlight Cam Pro Battery brings some serious features to the table. It's built for people who want reliable video, strong motion tracking, and an app that's easy to manage day to day. This model records in 1080p HD with HDR support, so the picture looks sharp and balanced even in mixed lighting, like when a shady yard meets bright sunlight. The built-in spotlight helps illuminate the area when motion is detected, and it also allows for full-color night vision, which is a big step up from basic infrared-only cameras. What really sets this model apart is the 3D motion detection and bird's eye view feature. Instead of relying only on basic motion zones, the camera uses radar to map movement in a more accurate way, giving you a top-down view of how people or objects move through your space. It's especially useful in larger or more complex layouts like corner lots or wide yards. The camera is battery-powered, so it installs easily on almost any wall or surface. Just keep in mind that battery life can vary. More frequent motion events mean faster drain. The Rings app makes it easy to check charge levels or add a solar panel if needed. Two-way talk comes with noise cancellation, making voice communication clearer than most other models in its range. You'll need a Ring Protect plan to unlock features like video history and smart alerts, but even without it, the camera handles live view and real-time notifications well. If you're already using Ring devices or Alexa, this camera fits right into that setup. For those who want a smarter kind of motion detection and flexible installation, the Spotlight Cam Pro is a strong pick. Number 1. Google Nest Cam Battery. For a camera that checks nearly every box without feeling overly complicated, the Google Nest Cam battery stands out as the most well-rounded outdoor security option on this list. It offers sharp video, smart detection, easy installation, and clean app integration, all in a design that doesn't call too much attention to itself. The Nest Cam records in 1080p with HDR, which helps balance shadows and highlights in areas with uneven lighting. Night vision is built in, and even in low-light conditions, the footage remains clear enough to see faces or track movement without much noise or blur. This model is fully wireless and weather-resistant, so it handles wind, rain, and seasonal changes without trouble. The magnetic mount makes installation quick, under 10 minutes for most users, and lets you reposition the camera easily if your needs change. It's a good fit for porches, side yards, or even interior spaces if you want to bring it inside. One of the key strengths here is how smart the detection is. You'll get alerts based on whether it sees a person, vehicle, or animal, and the accuracy is solid right out of the box. If your Wi-Fi drops, the camera stores footage locally and uploads it when the connection returns, a thoughtful touch for anyone who's experienced network hiccups. The Google Home app is where everything comes together. It's clean, responsive, and makes it easy to check in, set up zones, and manage notifications. You don't need a subscription to use the camera, but Nest Aware unlocks familiar face detection and extended video history if you want deeper functionality. If you're already using other Google smart home products or just want a straightforward camera that works well without a lot of fiddling, the Nest Cam battery is an excellent choice. That wraps up our list of the top 6 outdoor security cameras for 2025. Whether you're focused on local storage, battery life, lighting, or smart features, there's an option here that can fit your setup. Some work better for wide open spaces, others are great for small entryways. It really depends on what matters most for your home. Let us know in the comments which one feels like the right fit for you. And if you found this list helpful, feel free to give it a like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.